Hi there, I'm Anastasia Surridge. I'm a Zazzle Pro designer. Actually, this says Pro Silver, but I'm Pro Gold at the moment. And today I'm going to show you how to edit and personalize this new invitation design that I've made. So this is the design that I'm talking about. And what's unique about it is I actually have 3 different backgrounds that you can choose from. So the first thing I'm going to do is open up the design to edit it. And let's just adjust this. Bear with me a moment. There we are. So when you go edit design, this is what you will get. You'll get the whole design editor. In the middle here, you'll see the invitation that you're working on. On the left-hand side, you'll see all the different layers. So these have everything that's included on this side of the invitation. So you've got the blue graphic and all of the lines of text. If you've never used Zazzle before, I'm going through this to just show you. Now on the right hand side, I've highlighted dress code. That's this line at the very bottom that says black tie. And on the right hand side, whenever you're editing any particular layer on Zazzle, all the information that you need that affects that layer is on the right hand side. So you can edit the text, for example. You can change the font if you want. Anything to do with that font then comes down here, the size, the justification, how big or large, small it is, so you can scale it up or down, you can rotate it, you can flip it, letter spacing, line spacing, etc. And that is still here as well because it's a text layer. So in order to personalize this design, actually, I'll show you the easy way when I get done. But on the back, I was telling you that there's 3 different options for the background. So I have a repeating pattern as the base background being displayed on this in the Zazzle Marketplace. If you decide that you don't want that, for example, all you have to do is go over here to this layer. See how the little eyeball icon has popped up? Click on that, and that'll hide the layer. You can add a background color to it if you want. Let's say you want a dusty blue. And as a note on that, I'm going to show you how to get the same color as what's on the front. So when you come back to the front, which I just clicked on, and highlight any of the text layers, go over here to the right where the color is and highlight this hex code. Right click and then choose copy, then go to the back and click edit here on the background, go plus, and then just paste it in here. Now this is probably going to be the same. Yep, I thought it was, because I just literally created this design. So the history of what you're working on appears here. So you'll see we've been working on navy blue, gray, and green invitations this morning in our studio. So all those different colors are coming up in the background. Now, this, you can preview the look of the design over here on the right hand side. Click there, and that's what it would look like with the blue background. Very pretty. But let's say you want a photo. I would get rid of the background by going in here and clicking onto those checkerboards. That gets rid of it. You might just also want the color of the paper to show through. So if you're getting a warm ecru paper or a white laid, you might not want any of the any other color to be overwritten on top of that. You might just want the native color of the paper, in which case choosing this checkerboard design is perfect, because that actually means it's blank and you're not putting any color on the paper to begin with. So if you want a photo, the only thing you have to do is come over here and click on this photo layer and then unclick or click on the little eyeball button again, and then the photo will display. So come back here to the front, previewing it, you've got the photo on the back, and that's how it looks together. So let's say that's what you want, just click done. Now where it says personalize this template, this is what I was going to get at when I said I'll get there in a minute. Go down to the details and just type all your personal information in over this. If you don't need the dress code, all you have to do is backspace over it right there to delete it. Sorry, I'm going to change the resolution of my screen. I mean, change the size for you. There you go. Now you can see everything. So I'm just going to put it back in though. Black tie. I'm working around my microphone. Now just change the photo here by clicking change, and then it'll upload all the photos that you've uploaded to Zazzle. And I have a million things in here from all the designs we've been working on. I don't know if I have any photos. Well, I do, but they're sort of the same ones. So I'll go back a page and I'll just click on that one. And see this little eyeball or the icon down here? See how it's changed? Now, when you click on the preview, you can see that your photo has changed. And that's how easy it is to personalize this design. Enjoy. Thank you.